Hey, hey, illuminate yourself, aligned with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. Fellow Africans and people at large, please, can you please help me to grow my YouTube channel? Please subscribe, like, comment, and press the notification button so that when there is a new video, you can be able to see it. Please help me to grow my account. On this video, we are going to talk about Peter Groenewald and the black South African saying he must be voted with Freedom Front Plus to become the president of South Africa because black people have failed to govern the country. This has been a campaign that has been run by an account called Somandla Institute on TikTok, even if you can go now. Somandla Institute is pushing, and the other people, they saying they gave up on black people to govern. But the problem is that the black people that have governed up to this far are only ANC. No any other group of black people has governed in this country except ANC. Are people aware how many of the people that are very ethical, the people with dignity, conduct, that have proven to have the capacity to run institutions, people that were sidelined by the very same ANC people, not to be able to participate, to bring into change the real job that they know they are able to do, that some of thousands of black people can even do better than black people. My question is, have everybody that believe that the government must go back to the hands of white people, have you ever seen, have you taken the audit of all the thousands of good black people that were sidelined by ANC, by cadre deployment, to such an extent that those people were not able to prove their ability to govern and to do things? I will not talk about myself. I am not going to talk about myself. But where I stay, the people will come up and tell you that this guy, you can do whatever you like. You will not even come up and, in his responsibility that he had for years, come up and said, you took a cent. And we have never been into the hands of the government. You can see at my back there, those are the certificates. You know, we are good in what we're doing, but we have never been given that opportunity by ANC. Now, must we believe that all of us, must I agree that I can fail to take black people to the greener pastures? What is it that will make me as a black man that have dignity, that understand corporate governance, that know and respect our fellow Africans, fail to be able to deliver what a white man is claimed to? We must remember, a white man did not give black people the freedom or a good life. He was given, we black people were given this by force. Now, my question is, what is it that the people, maybe we can be told on the comment section, what is it that the people that believe that white people can do better than the black people outside the ANC, what is it that they've seen comparing us people that are not in the ANC to the white people like Peter Groenewald, who said straight away in parliament that there will be a sea war if it can happen, that the land must be taken and given to black people. Do you remember that black people were fighting against using Africans as a medium of instruction? If you give him back the power, that man have nationalism. He love his language. Is he not going to make you again? Because he's got a power, he's going to have control of the army and everything. What will make him not to take you back from that? How are you sure about that? If you say the people that have been governing, they have failed, and you are saying that, and there are thousands of you, why can't you among yourself? You know what you want. You know what you need. Stand up and overthrow that government that of a black man that has failed and put yourselves as a black people to rule. Instead of doing that, which means you saying yourself, you are empty. You know nothing. Because you know what is the problem? You see that white doll, and that white Jesus in the wall in your house is what makes you to think a white man is good over you with everything and is catching up with you. I am saying I have been doing it. I used to work with white people at management level or whatever. There isn't a white person on this planet Earth or in South Africa that can do anything better than me. Now, if you have failed because people have been voting ANC and what, now their ANC have messed them up. Their ANC have failed them. Now all of us must believe that a black person can fail. No. Anyone. Remember, even most of the white people, they don't even attend a high level of education. How educated is Steenhuisen? How educated is Steenhuisen? Etc., etc. We used to work with them. We know they don't get the highest level of education. What is wrong with black people? Have you tried every single black person of academic qualification, of academic capacity that the ANC have sidelined with cadre deployment? You have not. You have not. So please, good people, the suffering that is here is because you fail to substitute the people. When you see they are failing, instead of changing them, setting them aside and putting the other people, you keep them there for so long, they fail you, and then you want to say it's all black people. No, not with me. I'm talking about me, and I say, try me. Try me. We know public management, we know public administration, we have been at the ethical environment, and we are true and tested. We are just like this. Clean. Try us. Peace and black power. Thanks for watching the video.